Introduction to searching and filtering data.
Working with large datasets can be challenging, especially when you need to find relevant information quickly. By using simple, efficient code patterns, you can speed up the process of searching and filtering data. Understanding the basics will help streamline your workflow and improve the performance of your software projects.
Linear search, a basic approach.
A linear search scans through each element one by one, checking if it matches your search criteria. This method is easy to implement and works well for small or unsorted lists. However, it can become slow with large data sets because every item needs to be checked individually, making it less efficient for big tasks.
Using built-in filter functions.
Many programming languages, like Python and JavaScript, offer built-in filter functions. These allow you to select specific items from a list using simple conditions. Filters can make your code cleaner and reduce the chances of mistakes, helping you isolate the data you need with just a few lines of code.
Efficient searching with binary search.
Binary search is much faster than linear search, but it only works on sorted data. Instead of checking every item, it repeatedly divides the list in half to find your target. Binary search quickly narrows down results, making it very efficient for searching large, sorted collections.
Optimizing with hash maps and indexing.
For even greater efficiency, hash maps and indexing can be used. Hash maps offer quick lookups by associating unique keys with data values. Indexing, commonly used in databases, creates shortcuts to data locations, speeding up searches and filters. Both methods are essential for handling very large or frequently accessed datasets.
Conclusion: choosing the right pattern.
Selecting the best search or filter method depends on your dataset's size, structure, and organization. Start with simple tools like linear search or filter functions, but consider binary search, hash maps, or indexing for larger or more complex data. Mastering these patterns will boost your ability to find relevant information quickly and efficiently.